Every user needs a license. A Salesforce license gives access to standard applications and the platform. A Salesforce platform license gives access only to the platform and any custom functionality that is built on the platform. Feature licenses determine whether users have access to additional features like mobile or content. You can purchase as many licenses as required by your org. If you expand company profile and take a look at company information, you'll be able to see the different types of licenses. How many have been purchased by your org? How many of those licenses are used? And how many are remaining? Since this is a developer instance, you can use it to build, test, and play with your app. There are quite a few limitations. You cannot use this as a production instance. You would have to purchase licenses from Salesforce for real-time use. In this developer instance, I have 3 platform licenses and 2 Salesforce licenses. There is one license that is being used, which is mine. I just want you to ignore the other types of licenses for now. To create users, you can go to Manage Users, New User, pass in the details like name, email, and username. I need to select the license type and also assign the user to a profile. If you can recollect, every profile is associated with the license type. This guy is a recruiter, so I would like to assign him to the recruiter profile. The recruiter profile is associated with the Salesforce platform license type. I can see all the profiles that are associated with it. Let me select the recruiter profile and save it. Now this user gets access to all the permissions that are defined in the recruiter profile. And by the way, I have just used up one platform license right now. If I quickly switch to the org details, you can see that I've used one platform license. I would like to make a small note here. You cannot delete user records. You can only deactivate them, so that you can use this license for someone else, in case if you need it to. You can go ahead and work on the assignment.